everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Jet, and today I'm going to show you how to create an amazing bio website in Canva, even if you only have a free account. It's going to look something like this, and you can put the link to it in your bio on Instagram and create an amazing on-brand experience with your colors, your fonts, your photos, and the best thing is, it's completely free. First, I want to show you my personal Instagram account and what it means to have a link in bio website. You can see in my bio where it says, what do I do most of the time? And it's pointing to the link, this one. This link is not created by Canva, and it's created by Linktree, which is another service that you can use. They have a free and pro account, and the free account doesn't have a lot of great templates, and you cannot edit them however you like, but you can do so with pro account. I use a free account, so it's not that fancy looking. Anyway, when you click on it, it just doesn't take you to my website. It takes you to a special mobile-friendly website with different links that you can click on. So there's visit my website on this link. There's the shop, the work with me link. It goes to my Fiverr account, and check it out when you have time and if you want to work with me. And here's the link to my YouTube subscription page. And I also have all these social media icons over here. You could create a free Linktree account, or you can simply use the tool that you already use, which is Canva, to create a website just like this, and prettier too. That's what I'm going to show you. And by the way, if you're new to my channel, welcome, and be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I post one of these educational videos. Okay, with that out of the way, let's get started. So inside of your Canva account under search, what you want to do is search for bio link website. I have it here already. And this will pull up multiple different templates under the bio link website keyword. You can see here that there are really amazing looking templates, and a lot of them are very unique. Just choose the one that catches your eye, and say, for example, we can do this one. You can change out certain elements, search for new elements, and change out the colors to customize the template. So let's go ahead and customize this. So I'm just gonna go ahead and customize everything. Alright, so once you've customized everything for your brand, you can start adding in your links to your different lead magnets, to your websites, to your different social media or YouTube channel, or whatever you put in here. So now what we're going to do is change the links. The way you can do that is to click on the text or the button and add a link by clicking on the link icon over here. Let me show you if this chain icon over here, and insert a link to your website. For example, that one, that would be my website. So, and you have to do the same on the other ones. And you can customize this for anything that you want to include in the link in your bio. You can also put all social media icons over here or somewhere in your website. And once you've got it ready to share, just click on Publish as Website. You can change how it's presented. It could be presentation, scrolling, classic navigation, and standard. So I'm just going to choose scrolling, and I'm going to click this open website, and this is how it will open. Nice and big on my laptop. However, on mobile it will look like a mobile website. So now what you can do at this point is grab the URL and then copy that, and this would be the URL that you would share in your bio. So you'll paste that URL to the section for your website. And this is a very long link, as you can see here, and it might not look that interesting to click on in the bio. So if you're wanting to create a shorter link, you can go to a website called Bitly and create a free account, and it creates short links. So when you have a Bitly account, you can click create here and then paste the Canva link, and it will create a very short link for you. And this would be the short link that you can share in your bio instead of that long Canva link. So you'll click copy and go and paste that in your Instagram account. And that's it. The BioLink websites that Canva provides to free users is priceless. You can customize so much about your Canva website, and the fact that it's free makes it so much better. Alright, that's a wrap for now, and please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Like and share this on social media as well. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care now. Keep watching and keep learning. Bye!